Now let's create some direct messages with coworkers. We'll get logged into Rake, and you'll see over the last couple of days, since we just created our workspace, we've added a few users, and you'll be able to see those users here. So Duchess Rake has accepted her invitation. Of course, we are Duke Rake, and Princess Rake also has accepted her invitation. So what that means is we're now in an environment where we could start to create some conversations with them. And this is one of the ways that Rake improves team collaboration. Let's create a direct message with the three of us. So I want to add the Duchess and Princess Rake, and we'll click Go. And now you'll see that right here I can send a message. Hello, welcome to our workspace. Now, what does this mean? This means that the Duchess and the Princess and myself as Duke, we can communicate privately. A direct message is private between the three of us. If I want to create a direct message just with the Princess, I can do that as well. So again, I'll click the plus icon next to direct messages, and I'll click on Princess Rake. I'm not going to include the Duchess. So now I'll say something like, "Hi, Princess. This is between you and me. Duchess is not included. Kind of harsh, but we understand that in work, we often need some privacy with certain messages. Why is the princess's dot here gray? Well, that means the princess is currently not logged into Rake. She's not available right now. In future videos, we'll talk about creating new channels. Those channels can be public or private, and we'll also continue to work on direct messages. But this is the beginning of our collaboration. When someone sends you a message, you can be notified depending on how you set up your notifications. Hopefully this helps you to reduce email clutter and helps you work smarter and faster.